An electron is a subatomic particle with a negative electric charge that is found outside the nucleus of an atom. It is one of the fundamental particles in nature and plays an essential role in nearly all physical, chemical, and biological processes. Electrons are classified as leptons, a type of elementary particle that does not undergo strong interactions. Properties of electrons. The electron has a very small mass, about 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms. It is around 1 over 1,836 the mass of a proton. The electron carries a single negative charge, approximately negative 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. Electrons have an intrinsic angular momentum called spin, valued at 1/2, categorizing them as fermions. Electrons exhibit both particle-like and wave-like behavior, showing diffraction and interference patterns. In atoms, electrons exist in distinct energy levels or orbitals around the nucleus. They can absorb or emit energy to move between these levels, creating atomic spectra. Importance and role of electrons in various sciences. Physical sciences. Electricity and magnetism. Electrons are the primary charge carriers in most conductive materials, making them essential to the study of electricity and magnetism. The flow of electrons constitutes electric current, which is the basis of all modern electronics and electrical systems. Quantum mechanics. Electrons play a key role in quantum mechanics. Their wave-particle duality and quantized energy levels are foundational to understanding atomic and molecular structures. Thermodynamics. Electrons are also vital in thermodynamics as they participate in energy exchanges within and between systems, influencing heat and work transfer. Chemical sciences. Electrons form the bonds between atoms in molecules through covalent, ionic, and metallic bonding. The interactions between valence electrons, which are the outermost electrons, govern the types and strengths of these bonds. Electron transfer is central to oxidation reduction or redox reactions, where electrons move from one atom or molecule to another. This is crucial in processes like corrosion, respiration, and photosynthesis. In acid-base reactions, protons or H+ ions often move between molecules, which involves electron shifts in bonds. Biological sciences. Electrons are fundamental in biological energy transfer processes, especially in cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Electrons move through the electron transport chain in cells, helping to produce ATP, the main energy currency of the cell. Many enzymes require electron transfer to function, as electrons participate in the breaking and forming of bonds during biochemical reactions. The structure of DNA relies on electron distributions within hydrogen bonds between nucleotides. Electrons are also involved in DNA repair processes, preventing genetic mutations. Why electrons are important in the universe. Electrons enable atoms to form stable structures by bonding together into molecules. And without electrons, complex molecules like proteins, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates could not exist. Electrons play a role in nearly all energy transformations, such as light absorption and emission, chemical reactions, and electric currents. They help to drive the dynamic nature of the universe. The arrangement and behavior of electrons give rise to the properties of elements and compounds. This means that electrons essentially define the behavior of all matter, and in turn, all forms of life. Since electrons carry electric currents, they are crucial to modern communication and information technologies. All devices, from computers to mobile phones, rely on electron movement to function. In summary, electrons are essential building blocks of nature due to their role in forming matter, facilitating energy transformations, and enabling life-sustaining chemical and biological processes. Their interactions create the diversity and functionality of the physical world, making them one of the most critical components of the universe. Nature is ultimate.